we'll guide you through how to use Obsidian Notes Mobile. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, comment if you still need our help or want to ask something. Second, open Obsidian Mobile and open a note that you want to work with. Start by using the mobile gestures to access different parts of the application quickly. Swipe from the left edge of the screen toward the center to open the left sidebar. This sidebar is useful for managing files, searching through your vault, and moving between different notes. You can use it whenever you need to navigate through your workspace without leaving the current note. Next, swipe from the right edge of the screen toward the center to open the right sidebar. The right sidebar contains helpful panels such as tags, backlinks, and outlines that help you understand and organize your notes. When you finish using the sidebars, tap anywhere on the note area to close them and return to your writing space. Tap inside the editor area to activate the mobile keyboard and begin editing your note. Above the keyboard, you will see the formatting toolbar that contains different editing tools. Swipe across this toolbar to discover more available options that may not be visible immediately. If you need to run commands, tap the command icon shown as a greater than and underscore symbol to open the command palette. If this icon is missing, tap the wrench icon in the toolbar to access additional tools. Find the command palette option and tap the plus button to add it back to your toolbar. After enabling it, you can use the command palette to search for and run different Obsidian commands faster. To switch your note into reading view, tap the book icon in the top right corner. This allows you to preview your note without editing elements. When you want to continue editing, tap the pen icon to return to editing view. Finally, open the left sidebar again and tap the gear icon to access settings. Inside settings, you can adjust options such as plugins, appearance, and other preferences to customize your Obsidian mobile experience.